exciting adventure into the world of sea animals. My name is Navaya.
And my name's Javaya. We are going to learn about some of the most interesting ocean animals today. I'm going to leave you with Navaya and see you on the other side.
Let's begin with the dolphins.
Did you know that dolphins are known for their lively and intelligent nature? It may come as a surprise to you. But do you know that dolphins are also known for their lively curiosity and remarkable acrobatic abilities? Next up, we have the fantastic sea turtles. Can you imagine? Over the course of millions of years, these gentle giants have been swimming in our oceans. Sea turtles are magical. Can you guess why sea turtles are magical? Because they display a remarkable capacity for diligence and grace in their many movements. Finally, we come to the world of playful fish, which is full of life and variety. Each type of fish, from clownfish to angelfish, adds a different splash of colour to the sea. Click on part 2 to learn more about the other animals as Javaya leads you on your trip. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey through the ocean. Until next time, keep exploring and I will see you on the other side.